So, Unimech Aerospace had its IPO listing today, right?
Yeah, that's right, actually. And it looks like it was quite a debut.
Okay, so what exactly does that mean? Quite a debut.
Well, I mean, the stock listed at a significant premium, nearly doubling the money for the IPO investors.
Wow, that's pretty impressive. So, what drove such a strong performance?
Well, I mean, the IPO was oversubscribed by a lot, about 175 times, which really signaled a strong investor interest right from the start.
Oh, okay, that makes sense. So, it was expected then, this big jump.
Yes, I think so. The gray market premium, was already indicating a strong listing, with experts predicting like a 90% premium over the issue price.
So, it's kind of like a self-fulfilling prophecy then.
Exactly. It's like when a restaurant gets a ton of good reviews, people are even more eager to try it.
Gotcha. So, what exactly does Unimech Aerospace do anyway?
They're an engineering solutions provider that makes critical parts for the aerospace, defense, energy, and semiconductor industries, among other things.
Oh, okay. So, they're not just building one thing, they're pretty diversified then.
Yes, actually, they are. And they plan to further expand their manufacturing capabilities.
So, this IPO was partly to fund their expansion, then, right?
Precisely. I mean, part of the funds will be used for capacity expansion, and a chunk will be used for mergers and acquisitions.
Okay, so they're looking to grow both organically and inorganically, then.
Yes, it's like they are planting new seeds while also buying up some fully grown trees.
I see. So, they're playing the long game here, it seems.
Exactly. And like analysts are recommending that investors hold their positions for the medium to long term.
Okay, so it's not just a quick pump and dump kind of situation.
Right. I mean, it's about taking a long term strategic approach.
That makes sense. Now, is there any risk or downside to this company?
Well, their client concentration has been flagged as a risk. A big chunk of their revenue comes from just a few clients.
Ah, okay. That could be a problem if they lose one of those major clients.
Exactly. It's like having all your eggs in a single basket.
So, they are working on diversifying their client base, then, right?
That's what they plan to do, tap into new markets and different clients to reduce that reliance.
Smart. It sounds like they're aware of the risks and are working to mitigate them.
Right. And overall, their focus on high growth industries really positions them for sustained growth.
So, the strong listing was like a validation of their business model.
Yes, I think so. It is like a report card that came back with straight A's.
Okay, so to summarize, strong IPO, good future, a bit of client concentration to keep an eye on.
Yeah, actually, and they have growth plans and seem to be executing them well so far.
So, what will happen next for them? I mean, how should investors view this going forward?
Well, it'll be interesting to see how they diversify and whether they achieve their aggressive expansion plans, right?
Definitely, it will be something to watch for in the coming months, it seems.
Yeah, it's like watching a rocket launch. You're excited to see where it goes.
Right. Well, thanks for breaking that down. It was really informative.
Yeah, you're welcome. I mean, anytime, glad I could make it a bit clearer.